You've ever felt stuck choosing between fast, beginner-friendly video creation and insanely advanced AI editing? Then this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down Invideo versus Runway, two powerful tools but built for completely different types of creators. By the end, you'll know exactly which one you should use. Let's start with Invideo. This platform is all about speed, simplicity, and getting polished content out the door without a steep learning curve. Its drag and drop interface makes editing feel effortless, even if you've never used a video tool before. One of the biggest advantages is the text-to-video feature. You can literally paste your script, blog post, or any written content, and Invideo converts it into a full video with scenes, media, and transitions. That alone can save you hours of work. On top of that, Invideo gives you access to a massive stock library of over 1 million assets, videos, images, and music, all built in. You also get full creative control, custom fonts, brand colors, overlays, and the ability to switch aspect ratios for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, anything. When you're done, exports come in HD on all plans and even 4K if you upgrade. Add real-time collaboration and Invideo becomes a powerhouse for teams and creators who want speed and flexibility. Now, let's talk about Runway. This platform is a totally different beast. It's built for creators who want AI-driven next-level visual effects. Think automatic background removal, object isolation, and even generative video effects that look straight out of a professional production studio. If you're building cinematic edits, artistic concepts, or experimental visuals, Runway is hard to beat. But there's a trade-off. It has a steeper learning curve, and its stock library is much smaller compared to Invideo. It's not designed for quick social content, it's designed for creativity and complex manipulation. So the question becomes, what type of creator are you? Use Invideo if you want fast, easy, social media ready videos with tons of built-in assets and customization. Choose Runway if you want advanced AI effects, cinematic visuals, and the freedom to experiment beyond traditional editing. Both are powerful. The best one is the one that matches your goals. Happy comparing.